Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to form alternate number pairs and check the addition of those pairs. If the difference between those pairs is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. If the difference is not 0 or a multiple of 11, then it will not be divisible by 11. Okay, so in the first case it's a 4-digit number, so the first pair will be 1 plus 2, that is 3. Addition is 3. For the other pair it's 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. The difference between 3 and 9 is 6, so it is not divisible by 11. Okay, for the next number, the alternate number pairs will be, the first pair is 5 7 4. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So first pair's addition is 16. For the second pair, the numbers are 3 and 8. So 3 plus 8 is 11. So the difference between 16 and 11 is 5. So again this number is not divisible by 11. For the 324, the first pair is 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7, and the only remaining number in the other pair will be 2. So the difference between these two numbers is 5. So again this one is also not divisible by 11. Moving to the next number, fourth one, 66,132. So the first pair of alternate numbers is 6, 1 and 2. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And for the other pair it is 6 and 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now the difference between these two sums is 0. So that means this number 66,132 will be divisible by 11. So I'll write an 11 here. Okay, moving to the next number. Its first pair is 1 and 8, that is 9. Other pair has only 0. So the difference between those two sums is 9. It's not a multiple of 11. This number will not be divisible by 11. Moving to the next number, the first pair has 2, 2 and 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So I'll write down a 6 here. And the other pair has 9 and 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now the difference between 6 and 17 is 11, right? So this number, that is 29,282, will be divisible by 11. Okay, so I'll write down an 11 here. Moving to the next number, 21,585. The first pair of numbers, alternate pair of numbers, is 2, 5, 5. That is 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. And the other pair has 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9. So the difference between these two numbers is 3. That means this number will also not be divisible by 11. Next number, 762. The first pair has 7 and 2, which is addition gives us 9. The other number is only 6. So the difference is not 0 or 11. So this number will also not be divisible by 11. Next one, the first pair is 9 and 7. So 9 plus 7 is 16. The other pair will have only one number, that is 8. So the difference between these two numbers is 8. So this number will also not be divisible by 11. And for the last number now, the first pair of numbers is 4, 9 and 8. So 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. And the other pair has 1 and 2. Okay, only these two numbers. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So the difference between 21 and 3 is 18. So this number will also not be divisible by 11. Okay, so we found that only two of these numbers were divisible by 11. This one, fourth number 66,132, and the sixth number 29,282. Only these two numbers were divisible by 11. We have already completed now tests of divisibility for all these digits, all these numbers, for these given 10 numbers. and we have already written down which ones are divisible by which of these numbers.